Hi, today we have the Blackberry Z10 with us, and I'll quickly send out an email by unlocking the screen using the gesture from the bottom. I'll go to the Blackberry hub, compose an email, I'll send this out to my colleague, and I'll type out using the keyboard. And here, as you can see, the keys are relatively well spaced out, gives you ample space to type. And depending on how comfortable you are, you could use the feature that suggests words, or you could individually type on the keys. So as you keep typing, you'll see words that are suggested and attached. I'll just type hi. So this would take some time to get used to, but compared to other touchscreens, the keyboard seems to be spaced out very well. Now I'll just attach an image. So let's capture an image. We'll be able to see the camera. This is the last issue of Digit. And let's attach an image. We'll go to the camera. Let's pull it up. Maybe this gives a better view that you could refer. Seems like we are done. Goes to him. And while that's attaching, this is our email. We could go back to the home screen and let's have a look at the image we clicked. Seems to be fine. I guess he'll be able to read what I've sent him. That's about it. Yeah, there it goes. The image has been sent. Should receive it now. We're done.